Hello, dear friends. Today it's lesson number 4, and we are going to do nouns plus dependent prepositions. In this lesson, you will learn about dependent prepositions and learn and practice usage of dependent prepositions with nouns. So, what are dependent prepositions? You know what is prepositions, right? These are the words like from, at, for, with, and etc. Some prepositions are naturally and frequently used with specific adjectives, verbs, and nouns. So, for example, I am good at cooking, but I'm pretty bad at baking. Apparently, he's been linked with Manchester United. Players need to have respect for their manager. These all three sentences have dependent prepositions. Now let's look at them one by one. I'm good at cooking, but I'm pretty bad at baking. In the situation, the preposition follows good and bad. Good and bad are adjectives, so the preposition is connected to an adjective. These words, good and bad, good at, bad at, are always used together. Apparently, he's been linked with Manchester United. The word in blue, followed by the preposition with, is a verb. That is why the preposition here is connected to a verb. In a situation, players need to have respect for their manager. Preposition for is following the noun. Okay, so this is the preposition connected to a noun. Noun respect, preposition for. There are not so many rules about nouns using with dependent prepositions because the choice of preposition depends on a noun and its specific use and meaning. Sometimes one noun can be used with 2 or more prepositions and it will change its meaning. But there's a little rule related with this. When a verb follows a preposition, we use the ing form. For example, the trouble with putting images online is that anyone can see them. The trouble with preposition, noun, and so when a verb follows the preposition in noun plus dependent preposition sentence, we use the verb in ing form. Okay, here are some more examples. His addiction to surfing the internet is a problem. Addiction, noun, to is a dependent preposition, and in this situation, the verb is following this structure, so this verb is used with ing. His reaction to winning the prize was quite funny. Reaction to winning. Their memories of traveling in Africa will stay with them forever. Memories, noun, of preposition, travel, the verb used with ing. How to learn these prepositions and their choice? You need to use dictionary for this situation. So, to decide which preposition is needed, consider the sense in which the noun is used. If you're not sure what preposition to use, always check in a dictionary. For example, a word, a noun, evidence. So the evidence can be followed by 2 prepositions. Evidence of something, evidence for something. But in these 2 situations, they are used in 2 different meanings. Now here's task 1. You need to add the nouns to the table using the dictionary. So for example, on. Which noun is followed by preposition on? In, for, or to. Okay. Task 2 is for you to correct the sentences. So these sentences are written in incorrect way in terms of using the preposition. So your task is to correct the sentences. This is the end of the lesson. Goodbye and see you in the video chat.